Hey there, my foxy peeps. It's cold outside, but it's time for the Popsugar. So I got my Popsugar mini. So we're gonna open it up. We're gonna check and see what I got in it. Let's see. Ooh! This time I got an information card. But it's December. I'm gonna open up the first thing I see. Ooh, it's heavy. I don't know what it is. Let's see. Yellow Owl Workshop. Nope, wrong one. Smith & Cult. Yeah, there we go. Smith & Cult. Nail polish. It's rose gold. Retails at $18. Ooh. Is it dented? Is it meant to be dented? Mine's all dented. Nope. It looks like it's supposed to be that way. It was C. Oh, then my computer's making noises. But let's see. It's a rose gold color. Ooh, it smells like nail polish. And the next thing is a bunch of stamps. My lighting won't let you see. There we go. And that one's by Yellow Owl Workshop. Festive Stamp Kit. It retails at $19.50. I don't know. I think it comes with the ink and everything. There's one that says, congrats, yay, happy birthday on there. And thanks. So, oops. And there's the ink. Okay, that's kind of cool. I don't know if I'm going to keep getting this because, you know, I'm not one that really wears a lot of nail polish unless it's black. But I thought it was pretty cool. I might actually unsubscribe to this one. Just mainly because, you know, I'm not like a girly girl. But anyway, that was my Popsugar. I'll leave a link down below for y'all to check it out. Like, comment, or subscribe because I randomly upload videos. And thanks for watching. Bye!